Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn human action. What is this? Human action, human activity, human nature. Like we have to first word is he is 14. What is this word? Everyone speak with me. He is 14. He is 14. That means you can see a person. Okay. What is he doing? He doing is folding. He is no. What is he doing? He is folding. What is he doing? He is folding. And the second one is he is gargling. Gargling. You can see in a picture a person who is gargling. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is gargling. What is he doing? He is gargling. And the third word is he is vomiting. Vomiting is very common word. You can see in a picture. In a picture, what is he doing? In a picture, what is he doing? Everyone speak with me. He is vomiting. He is vomiting. And the fourth one is he is urinating. He is urinating. What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? He is urinating. What is he doing? He is urinating. That means a person who is get rid of extra what do we call extra wastage reduce in our bodies. Okay, so what is he doing? Like you can, if you are going somewhere like any government places, and if you wanna go washroom, gents washroom, you can saw this picture look like. Okay, so we can say again, what is he doing? What is he doing? He is urinating. He is urinating. And at the end learn we are going learn what is the definition of urinating and what is the meaning of and urinating. What is the definition and what is the meaning of urinating? At the end we have to learn. Okay, and the fifth one is he is defecating. He is defecating. He is defecating. You can see in a picture what is he doing. He is defecating. He is defecating. What is he doing? He is defecating. What is he doing? He is defecating. And the last one is he is burping. What is he doing? You can see in a picture. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is burping. He is burping. A person who eats something after digesting his food or her food, everyone do burping. Everyone do burping after eating. Okay, someone when everyone stomach happened full, the person is burping. Okay, so we can learn what is the meaning of urinating. Like we will learn. Okay, where is Yes. What is the meaning of urinating? The user is likely asking for the definition of gargling and not a mathematical mean. The word gargle refers to act of holding a liquid such as a water or mouthwash in the back of the throat and exhaling air through. No, this is a gargling, not urinating. Gargling. What is the meaning of gargling? What is the meaning of gargling? So the means of gargling here, we will learn again. Really stick with me. The user is likely asking for the definition of gargling and not a mathematical mean. The word gargle refers to the act of holding a liquid when we brushing. So at the time we take a little bit water and like the like we can. I will give you a live and practical example for front of you. Like, are you getting? So this is a voice of gargling. Okay. So garg is a word refer to the act of holding a liquid such as a water or mouthwash in the back of the throat and the exhaling air through the liquid. This action creates a bubbling sound and is often done for hygiene or to soothe or sore throat. So this is a mean of gargling. So at the end we have to learn some words like here. Okay. In this video we have to learn some words. Okay, farting, gargling, vomiting, urinating, defecating and burping. And everyone speak again and again, use this word in practical life. So take care, bye bye, God bless you all.